let's unbox the phone, guys. So guys, here is the phone itself at the top. It is looking very nice. Now, let's take a look at the back of the phone. From the back, the phone is looking pretty good. So now, let's see the front of the phone and peel the cover of the phone. And let's boot the phone. And keep it aside for a while and check the box. Then in the box, you will find the user manual. The user manual contains all the things that you should know about the phone. So now, let's check the power adapter. The power adapter is 5V power adapter and does not support fast charging. It comes with micro USB cable that is used to charge the phone. And at last, in the phone, you will find a SIM ejector tool